New Perplexity Comet AI Browser. Update. Okay, stop what you're doing right now. Perplexity just dropped a massive update to their Comet AI browser. And it is insane. You can now control your entire browser with just your voice, no typing, no clicking, just talking. Like talking to a friend who also happens to be the smartest browser on the planet. And I am going to show you exactly how it works. So Perplexity just rolled out an upgraded voice mode for their Comet AI browser. And when I say upgraded, I mean this thing is on a whole different level now. Let me explain what is actually happening here because most people are sleeping on this. Comet is not just a browser. It is an AI assistant that lives inside your browser. Think about that for a second. You open a web page and instead of reading the whole thing yourself, you just say, "Hey, Comet, summarize this page." And it does it. You say, "Open a new tab and search for the best AI tools in 2026, it does it. You say, "Go back to my last tab," it does it, all with your voice, no hands needed. This is not like those basic voice assistants that forget what you said 2 seconds ago. Comet keeps context across all your tabs. So if you are researching something in one tab and you switch to another tab and then come back, it still remembers everything. It is like having a brain that never forgets what you were doing. That is huge. And the best part is this voice mode update is rolling out to everyone right now. Everyone. So you can go try this today for free on Android. And they already confirmed that when Comet launches on iOS, it is coming with this voice upgrade built in from day one. First up, research. Imagine you are trying to find information on a topic. Normally you would type a search, click a link, read the page, go back, click another link, read that page. It takes forever. With Comet voice mode, you just say search for whatever topic you want. It pulls up the results. You say open the first result. It opens it. You say summarize this. It gives you the key points in seconds. You say open the next result in a new tab. It does it. You never touch the keyboard once. Second, multitasking. If you are someone who works with a lot of tabs open, this is a game changer. You can switch between tabs, ask questions about what's on your screen, and get instant answers without stopping what you are doing. Think about how much time that saves. Third, and this is one people do not talk about enough, accessibility. For anyone who has trouble typing or using a mouse, this opens up the entire internet through voice. That is a big deal. Now, let me walk you through how to actually set this up because it is super simple. Step one, download the Comet browser on your Android device. You can find it in the Google Play Store. Just search Perplexity Comet. Step two, open it up and go to your settings. Find the voice section. Make sure you give it microphone permissions. This is important because without that, it obviously cannot hear you. Step three, start talking to it. You can say things like search for whatever you want. You can say go back. You can say read my open tab. You can say summarize this page. You can say open results in a new tab. The commands are natural. You do not have to memorize weird phrases. Just talk to it like you would talk to a person. Right now, you have a few options. If you want AI in your browser, you have Microsoft Edge with Copilot built in. You have Chat GPT that can browse the web, and now you have Perplexity Comet. Here is the difference. Edge Copilot is decent, but it is tied to the Microsoft ecosystem. Chat GPT browsing is good, but it is not a full browser. Comet is different because it was built from the ground up as an AI browser. The AI is not bolted on. It is the foundation. Everything in Comet is designed around the idea that you and an AI are browsing together. And now with this voice mode upgrade, they are pulling even further ahead because none of those other tools give you full hands-free voice control that keeps context across all your tabs. That is unique to Comet right now. The point is this voice mode turns Comet from a cool AI browser into something that actually changes how you use the internet every day. And it is only going to get better from here. They are already working on the iOS version. They are already improving the voice recognition. This is just the beginning. Now, before I wrap up, let me give you a few things to watch out for. This is still a relatively new product, so there might be some bugs here and there. Voice recognition is not perfect 100% of the time, especially with different accents or background noise. And some advanced commands might not work exactly how you expect yet. But honestly, for where it is right now, it is really impressive. Also keep in mind that whenever you are using any AI tool that has access to your browsing, just be smart about it. Do not give voice commands with sensitive personal information in public places. Common sense stuff. All right, so to wrap this up, Perplexity Comet just got a major voice mode upgrade. You can now control your entire browser with your voice. It keeps context across tabs. It works for search, navigation, summaries, and more. It is free for everyone on Android, and iOS is coming soon with voice mode built in. This is one of those updates where if you try it once, you are not going to want to go back to the old way of browsing. Trust me on that.